Hello, my name is Josephine Chase. I have chose these two social media posts with images and logos for our anti-prejudice campaign. The first image emotionally engages with Americans for many reasons. First, we can admit that America has a prejudice issue. This social media image states "Stop Racism" with a red hand. Second, Americans can relate to the globe of the United States. This shows viewers the target audience is Americans. In America, social medias tend to use lots of hashtags when posting on social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter. Americans also tend to use the less than sign next to the number 3 to symbolize love. It makes a heart. So I chose to write "Racism, it stops with me," hashtag peace, love, harmony, hashtag happiness, hashtag no more prejudice, hashtag racism sucks, hashtag together, hashtag beautiful, hashtag united we stand, love, love. This will reach our target audience and hopes to stop prejudice. Robin Landis states that if we use culturally familiar images, we will hit the target audience and that they will understand the message at hand. The second image will emotionally engage India in the same perspective. We see India on the world globe, so the target audience is India. We also see a "Stop Racism" logo with a red hand. According to Kate Smith, these three symbols or emojis are the three most frequently used in India: peace, prayer hands, and love. So I chose to write "Racism stops with me" with the peace sign, the prayer hands, and love. I chose these three symbols to reach the target audience and potentially eliminate prejudice. Thank you for your time and careful consideration for these two social media logos. Thank you.